So hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss another built-in function of strings class, which is called as built-in function built-in function which is called as charAt. So charAt basically stands for character at position, and this is basically, it expects an input I, where I stands for that particular index or position at which you need to find the character. So what is the major agenda of this video? Number one, we must to demonstrate the use of charAt function in Java. Number two, how to traverse a string. This is the most important point. In any data structure which we are learning, the most important point is how to traverse it. If we know how to traverse it, then I think almost 30 to 40% of things are done. Rest is the logic building part to solve that particular problem. So how to traverse a string. Okay, so let me just show you a quick demo. So string str is equal to, let's say, PVB-GEEK. Okay, perfect. Now what? Suppose I want to display the character at position 0. So sout, sout str dot char at 0, and if I run this, so it expects an index value. So and if I just run this, the output would be P. Suppose I say sout str dot character at position, let's say 1, so like this, and let's just say character at position 2 as well. Okay, so and let's just try to run this now. So see, by changing the value of index, I can basically display the character at each position. So P, V, B and so on, it will be printed. Now how to traverse strings. So charAt, basically charAt is the function which is majorly used in case of traversal with respect to strings. Okay, so how to traverse a string. So it's quite simple. For int I is equal to 0. Suppose let's say we want to traverse and print the contents of this string. However, we can also directly print the string by using sout str like this, but we need to now traverse it character by character and then print it. Okay, so I is equal to 0, I less than str dot length I plus plus. Now what? Now it's simple. Sout str dot charAt I. Okay, that's it. That's what we want to do. And let's just try to run this. So on each separate line, each character will be printed. So PVB -GEEK, like this. So as simple as that. So this is how we traverse a string, and this is how the charAt function is used. And that's all for this video. As far as this video is concerned, all we have learned is two things: the relevance and significance of built-in charAt function of strings class, and how to traverse a string. These are the two major things which we have discussed for now, and in the next video we will discuss some more properties related to strings class. So thank you everyone for watching till end. If you think I have made any significant contribution to your logic building, please do consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.